Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video by me, Steve Clues. Right now today, I just thought to do a review of this toaster, obviously because in the past I've actually done a kettle review of the same make, which is digital, the same. I just thought to show you this digital toaster that I've got. Yeah, but first, roll those titles. Right, now this is the cream one that I've got. You can also get this in a light blue as well. This is the box, obviously. It's basically standard. It's just on the box itself. It just shows you a picture of the toaster. I believe that must be the make. What it says there, T35A. That must be the model number, I believe. Doesn't say anywhere, but that's probably the model number. And obviously the make is Morpilot. And obviously, like I say, I've actually done a kettle. And if you want to see the kettle review, basically I'll put a link in the description below as well. So if you want to see the kettle of this, the make itself, I mean, it is quite a good make, because this make is good because obviously they all the stuff they do is all digital, and obviously it's all looks quite smart as well, and it's quite cheap enough to purchase. So yeah, so it's worth having a look. Let's have a look in the box. See what you get inside it. First of all, you get a feedback. What form thing you fill in. See this is what I like this company for, because of one of the reasons is if you contact these, just say you like a toaster, and you get 20% off, which is quite good. Right, now what else you get? You get the instruction manual. There's quite a few pages. Obviously, as usual, all different languages as well. And also, I don't really see the point of this, but obviously it shows you obviously how it cooks a toast basically. Obviously, what level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5, and level 6. I don't see the point of that, but obviously it's just to show you, I suppose, just an example. And this is obviously the toaster itself. Let's get it out. Like I say, this make, I mean, I do like this make. It's quite a good make. Obviously, it's obviously in the middle. It's actually stainless steel. It looks well made. It probably lasts you quite a while. It's not cheap. It's not cheaply made. At the bottom here, as usual, you got your toaster tray as well. Bottom, so it empty crumbs out. Yeah, this is obviously only a 2-slice toaster, but obviously you probably get a bigger one if you wanted a bigger one. At this side here, it's obviously got the control panel, so all the different buttons you press. And obviously this here is actually the screen lights on. I'll show you that in a minute. Yeah. It's plastic at the bottom, and stainless steel, in like a cream colour. And obviously at the bottom here, you've got that logo. And obviously you've got your old-fashioned pull down. Obviously pull a toast down, obviously it comes into place and you put a toast in. And obviously at the top you've got your warning sign, like you got on most toasters anyway. Yeah, let's plug this in and let's see him show you it's on. Right, I've got it here set up on top of the microwave, because obviously I've got no room in my kitchen, so I just put it on top of here just to show you basically. It's just basically to show you obviously at the side. And also I haven't actually got any bread to actually try it out. But example, to show you example of how you actually what the screen looks like and things like that. And obviously when you put your toast in, pull this down. Obviously your light will come on, that indicate level 1. Then obviously it'll start. It actually starts counting down the time here. obviously your different levels, you just alter this. That changes your levels. And obviously at the side here, if you want to eject it quick, so it saves it, stopped it burning, you press this button here, it'll eject. And there's two other buttons here, which do different like settings you can have it on. I mean, like I say, this toaster itself, it is £30 on Amazon, but obviously you can probably get cheaper if you get an Amazon code. But I mean, the make itself, this make, it is actually quite a good make. I'm not just saying that just to make a video, it is actually a good make. I'll say the kettle that they do, this is the kettle that they do. I've had this now for over a year, and it's quite smart. Obviously it's got the button the same, the temperature control and different things like that. Yeah, I recommend, if you see anything on Amazon what's this make, try it out yourself. And if you actually want this toaster himself, I will put the link in the description below. You can actually get this in light blue as well. You might be able to colours on there. I don't actually know. I haven't actually looked. I don't think there is. I think there's just do like a cream in a blue. Obviously, it's good because, as I say, it does look quite smart. And this is an 800-watt toaster. Yeah. So anyway, I hope you got something useful on this video. And sorry I couldn't actually test some bread in it to actually show you how it cooks, because I haven't got any bread. Thought I had some, but I haven't got any. Yeah. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye.